Deep in the tropical forests of Costa Rica, life can be a pretty tough game. With predators at every turn, animals have devised a number of ways to stay alive. But there's one lizard here that has taken this to a whole new level. It hides underwater, which may not sound unique. However, this lizard brings its own backup air supply. Meet the water anole, a semi-aquatic lizard that spends most of its life near the water. When danger strikes, whether it's a hungry bird, snake, or other predator, the water anole doesn't simply run, climb, or hide like most land-based prey. Instead of just swimming away in a panic, the anole stays put, hiding just beneath the water's surface. And how does it manage to stay down there so long? By creating a bubble helmet of air over its nose. Scientists, such as Dr. Lindsay Swierk from Binghamton University, have been studying these incredible lizards to understand their potentially unique ability. Initially, researchers were unsure whether these air bubbles served a specific function. It might just be a side effect of the lizard's hydrophobic skin. But could these bubbles actually be helping them breathe? To solve the mystery, Dr. Swierk conducted an intriguing experiment. She divided a group of water anoles into two sets. One group was allowed to keep their air bubbles, while the other had a special emollient applied to their skin, preventing the bubbles from forming. The results were clear. The lizards with air bubbles stayed underwater 32% longer than those without. This was the first evidence that these bubbles served a real purpose. They're essentially acting just like a tiny rebreather, allowing the anoles to rebreathe the trapped air and stay hidden for longer periods, sometimes for upwards of 20 minutes. To put that into perspective, the current Guinness World Record for a human holding their breath is 24 minutes and 37 seconds, set by Budimir Sobat, a professional breath hold diver. It's literally his job to hold his breath, and these little lizards do it on a regular basis. In a forest full of predators, these lizards are prime targets. As Dr. Swierk puts it, anoles are like the chicken nuggets of the forest. Every predator, big and small, wants a bite. So staying underwater until the danger passes is a brilliant way to survive. But the story doesn't end there. Scientists think these bubbles do more than just trap air. They may actually act as a physical gill, drawing oxygen from the surrounding water. This physical gill allows the dissolved oxygen in the water to diffuse through the bubble's surface, providing fresh O2 without needing to surface. This phenomenon has only been seen in a few specific insect and spider species. So if the water anole can do this, it adds another layer of complexity to the water anole's underwater adaptation. And it's an even more ingenious defense mechanism than we thought. Nature is full of so many incredible adaptations, and this tiny lizard is just another testament to the wonders of evolution. Who would have thought that a simple bubble could make all the difference? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more from the fountain of random knowledge. Until next time, remember, the wonder is out there. We just have to be looking for it.